Jeg starter nu.
Hi, I'm Pia Skogemann. I am a Danish Jungian practicing analyst. I'm happy today to present you for my book, Waxing Femininity, which is a book about adult women's personal development from a Jungian perspective. And thank you very much to Stefano Carpani from Jungiania and to Margrethe Haraldsdatter for professional checking the Danish translation into English. Personal development is a long journey, and my own journey started more than 50 years ago. In my first analytical session, I had a dream about traveling to Crete, the mythological island of the goddess. I had won a fortune, and I had invited a lot of people to join me on the trip. I think a lot of people already did so by reading my book, and now I'll invite you to join me too. I hope you will enjoy it.